The custom radius is a method by which you can individually tailor a radius on the skate blade to the needs of your client and his or her posture. Radius refers to the amount of blade in contact with the ice. We will now show you how to set up your table for the custom radius, but you should refer to the written instructional material for more details. Remember to make all adjustments with the machine turned off. First, mark the center of the cross grinding wheel. Then transfer that mark to the table using a square. Now, draw a line on the table so that this line is centered with the mark that you have made on the cross grind wheel. Now, center the radius bar or the template you've selected on the line that's been drawn on the tabletop. You can see the line through the center hole in the radius bar. Tighten the radius bar onto the table and place the boot gauge sticker on the front of the table so that the line on the left-hand side of the gauge is lined up with the inside edge of the left hinge. The custom radius kit includes 2 bars with radii on each side. One bar is for either a 7-foot or 9-foot radius, the other an 11-foot or 13-foot radius. Hockey players, for instance, skate best on a 9-foot or an 11-foot radius. Contact your Blademaster representative to purchase other radius bars if desired. Always place the heel of the sole of the skate boot against the hinge of the contour bar and measure the length of the boot. In this case, it is 85. Find that same number on the small scale of the template and mark that point on the instep of the boot. This is the balance point. When you place the boot in the holder with the heel to the left, line up the balance mark you've just made with the left-hand side of the post, making sure that the blade holder contacts the anvil on both sides of the post. This ensures a neutral position. By placing the balance point on the left-hand edge of the post, the balance point is lined up with the center of the contour holder, lined up with the center of the contour bar, and lined up with the center of the wheel. We can now adjust for the preferred lie of the skater. On the contour holder, there are 3 standard lie settings: D for defense, F for forward, and S for small skater. The figure lie is the same position as the D or defense lie. These provide the full range of lies for all skater applications. The lie is adjusted accordingly by moving the adjustment block. A very important fact of contouring is that each blade is ground to conform to the exact shape of the other. Blades should be contoured once or twice a year to provide the proper radius and lie, after which they can be sharpened as usual. The lie controls the body weight of each skater, ensuring that they start the thrust from the center of the skate. You are now ready to cross-grind the skate blade according to the radius you have selected. Make sure that the skate blade is touching the cross-grind wheel by adjusting the feed screw. Make a back and forth motion across the wheel as you continue to feed the skate. Once you have completed the contour process, the blade should be contoured approximately the same length as the bottom clamp. Blend the heel and toe if required. Once that is done, you've established the desired contour and you are now ready to sharpen as previously described.